Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make mushinasu. It literally translates steamed eggplant, the easiest way to prepare eggplant. So I think this is one of the easiest Japanese side dishes that you can replicate at home. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this mushinasu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some eggplant, as much as you like. I'm using 6 for 4 people. Ponzu sauce. As a condiment, some green onion, ginger, and katsuobushi fish flakes. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So green onion. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And let's just make thin slices. As I said, this is a condiment. So let's put it in a small bowl and put aside. Eggplant. Cut the top off and remove this. Peel the skin. And release it in cold water. Okay, it's time to steam. So here I have a cup of water in the pot. Set a steamer. Put the eggplant. Put the cover on and just steam. It will take about 10 minutes after boiling. In the meantime, let's grate some ginger. I'm going to grate it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Just grate. Steam for 10 minutes. So let's take them out in ice water to chill completely. Mushinasu is usually served cold. Once it's completely chilled, dry with paper towel. And tear it into 4 using hands. By doing this by hands, not with knife, you can create this rough surface so the sauce can stay well. Then let's cut the lengths into half. Serve in the bowl. Put some ponzu sauce. And let's put these condiments. Grated ginger, sliced green onion, and katsuobushi fish flakes. And mushinasu, one of the easiest Japanese side dish, is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so soft, juicy, and surprisingly delicious. As I said, it's served cold, so it's perfect for hot summer days. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Mushinasu is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. How about miso butadon here, which will also cover the main, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoyed the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!